Okay, for those of you that are working on your project 1.1.3, you were given your architectural style, a random architectural style. Everybody's doing one on their own. So these are the instructions that you are to follow. This is the criteria that you're going to be researching. Down here it says you're going to be creating a 4-slide presentation. Your first slide is your title and the name of your architectural style. Make sure that you guys capitalize your first and your last name and you capitalize your architectural style, because a lot of people don't do that and it doesn't look professional, especially when you're presenting. Slides 2 and 3, it's going to have this information that you find. Okay, one thing I did have a question on was on B, where it says identify the typical number of stories. That's if it's a first, if it has 1 floor, 2 floors, 3 floors, what are the typical number of floors does it have? Okay. Describe the purpose of the structure. So this is where they're talking about your design elements, your elements of design, and your principles of design that we went over last week. You should have notes on that. And then your examples of the style. Make sure that you have images. Okay, yeah, we need to see pictures of what your architectural style looks like. Okay, so that's going to be 2 and 3, and then slides 4. A lot of people will leave this one out. That is where you need to cite your reference. Where did you get this information? Because you didn't come up with this information on your own, so you have to make sure you give the website wherever you found it. You need to give them credit. So my suggestion is to go to Google, type in citation machine. Just click on the citation machine. Most of you guys have cited stuff in English, or you should have by now. You'll more likely have used MLA format or APA format. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to go with APA format because that's what I use. That's what we use in college. So what it's going to do is going to bring you here. You need to click on website because that's what you need to cite. And let's just say my architectural style was this Neolithic. So I'm just going to copy it because this is where I got my information, whether it's your pictures or the information that you're looking for. Copy that website, and then you're going to come back here to the citation machine, and you're going to paste that website here. Right click paste, and then click on search. Okay, it's going to do its thing. It found it. Once you see this, click on cite. It's going to give you some information here. Just click continue so it can generate it. It's going to give this information also, complete citation, and great. Okay, so because this is a free website, it'll make you watch ads because I'm not going to pay for it, so you're going to have to wait for us to go through this. Who's that? Billie Eilish? All right, come on, Billie Eilish. So it has like 15 seconds, 12 seconds left. So I have to watch the ad because we're using the free website. Okay. All right, it's almost done. Yay. All right, so we're going to complete the citation. It did that, and here it is. So I've already done this twice, so it doesn't matter. Just hover over it, click on copy citation, and then your last slide, that's where you're going to create your references. Let me see what it says. So you'll title it, the last slide, title it references. Make sure you capitalize that. And then on that last slide, you're going to paste what you copied from here, because this is the format that you used to create your references. Okay, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email.